Can the PNB MetLife Goal Enhancer Multiplier Plan safeguard your financial goals and also multiply your wealth? In this review, we will explore the features, benefits, drawbacks, and associated cost of Goal Enhancer Multiplier Plan, that is GEM plan. Additionally, we will conduct an internal rate of return analysis to estimate potential returns, enabling a comparison with other investment options. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. PNB MetLife Goal Enhancer Multiplier Plan GEM plan is an individual unit-linked non-participating life insurance plan. First, let us look at the features of the plan. Choose from 5 plan options. Enjoy flexible premium payment option available for all plans except wealth option. Customize your plan by selecting from 3 fund management strategies and 15 fund options. Certain charges including fund management, premium allocation, mortality charges are refunded after completing specific policy years. Boost your fund value with fund boosters provided at certain intervals. Benefit from a premium waiver option in case of critical illness or death. Next, we shall look at the benefits of PNB MetLife Goal Enhancer Multiplier. First, death benefit. The death benefit shall be the highest of the following amounts: the fund value, the sum assured after deducting any partial withdrawals and payout under smart withdrawal facility, 105% of total premiums received less any partial withdrawals and payouts under the smart withdrawal facility, plus the highest of the following amounts: top up fund value, top up sum assured, or 105% of total top-up premiums paid. Next, waiver of premium in case of death or diagnosis of critical illness. Any future installment premium that would otherwise have been payable under the policy shall be waived. Maturity benefit: the total fund value including top-up fund value is payable. Next, we shall look at the investment strategies and fund options in PNB MetLife Goal Enhancer Multiplier GEM plan. It gives you the choice of 3 fund management strategies to choose from as per your risk appetite and convenience. You need to select any one from the following fund management strategies. First, self-managed strategy. This option gives you access to the suite of 15 funds, complete control over how to invest your premiums, and full freedom to switch from one fund to another fund at any point in time. The funds offer a choice of debt or equity orientation to suit your specific needs and risk profile. Assess your risk tolerance and choose the fund that aligns with your risk profile. Next, systematic transfer strategy. It helps safeguard your wealth against market volatility and is available only if you have opted for regular pay or limited pay with annual frequency as the premium payment mode. This strategy ensures a gradual exposure to equity from debt in a phased manner through equal installment over 12 months. All installment premiums will be invested in the Protector 2 fund, that is debt-oriented fund. This amount will be systematically transferred to the Premier Multi-Cap Fund, which is an equity-oriented fund over the 12-month policy period. Next, life stage strategy. At policy inception, your premium net of allocation charge is distributed between 2 funds, Premier Multi-Cap Fund and Protector Fund, based on your attained age. As you move from one age band to another, your funds are redistributed based on your age. The age-wise portfolio distribution is shown in the table. Next, we shall look at the charges for PNB MetLife Goal Enhancer Multiplier. Mortality charges. It will be based on the plan option, age of life insured, rate as per mortality charge table, and the applicable sum at risk. Next, morbidity charge. It is applicable only for wealth plus care option. It will be based on the attained age of life insured, the morbidity rate, and the applicable sum at risk. Partial withdrawal charge. Partial withdrawals including any payouts under the smart withdrawal facility are free of any charge. Next, premium allocation charge. These are expressed as a percentage of premium and are levied through the first 9 years only. Policy administration charges. Single premium policies 0.7% per annum of single premium across policy term. Other than single premium policies, 1.4% per annum of the annualized premium, inflating at 5% to a maximum of 2.2% per annum. Fund management charge. It depends on the chosen fund. It ranges between 1% and 1.35% per annum. Discontinuance charge. It is expressed either as a percentage of fund value or as a percentage of annualized premium or single premium. It depends on the premium amount, year of discontinuance, and premium paying term. Switching charges. You can make unlimited switches in a policy year free of any charge. Inference from the charges. While the plan does refund some charges at different intervals, these charges are relatively high compared to other market-linked investments. Premium allocation charges, policy administration fees, and discontinuance charges serves as over overhead cost for investors, which can significantly diminish your long-term returns. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of PNB MetLife Goal Enhancer Multiplier Plan. You have the flexibility to increase or decrease your sum assured as needed. For regular pay and limited pay policies, except for 5-pay option, you can request a change in premium paying term after the 5th policy year. You can opt to reduce the installment premium under the policy after the first 5 policy years. The premium redirection option allows you to change the allocation of future premiums at no additional cost. You can switch partially or fully between available segregated fund options. Partial withdrawals are permitted only after the lock-in period, that is 5 policy anniversaries has ended, or when the life assured turns 18, whichever occurs later. Under wealth option, you can utilize the smart withdrawal facility to set up automatic withdrawal of 1% to 12% of your fund value at your chosen frequency. During the policy term, you have the option to remit a top-up premium. Next, disadvantages. Policy loans are not permitted under this plan. The PNB MetLife Goal Enhancer Multiplier policy has a lock-in period of 5 years. Only the net premium after deducting charges is invested. Life cover provided is insufficient. Calculating the potential returns helps you assess the investment's performance and compare it with other options. This section evaluates the investment aspects of PNB MetLife Goal Enhancer Multiplier. The following internal rate of return analysis is based on the figures provided in the policy brochure. A 40-year-old male chooses PNB MetLife Goal Enhancer Multiplier with a sum assured of rupees 10 lakhs. The policy term and the premium paying term are both 20 years with an annual premium of rupees 1 lakh. He selects plan option 1, wealth. Under the wealth option, the fund value is available at the end of the policy term, assuming regular premium payments. The policy brochure illustrates potential returns based on assumed investment rates of 4% and 8% per annum. These are not guaranteed returns and do not represent the upper or lower limit of what you might earn with this policy. At a 4% return, the fund value is 26.60 lakhs, yielding an IRR of 2.65%, which is lower than the interest rate offered by a savings account. With an 8% return, the fund value reaches 41.25 lakhs, yielding an IRR of 6.48%, which is comparable to or sometimes less than a bank's fixed deposit interest rate. While PNB MetLife's Goal Enhancer Multiplier is designed as a long-term investment to outpace inflation, the returns are significantly lower, hindering wealth accumulation. As a result, the corpus accumulated through the Goal Enhancer Multiplier plan may not be sufficient to meet your financial goals. The PNB MetLife Goal Enhancer Multiplier plan faces challenges in terms of suitability due to its inability to deliver inflation-beating returns and its inadequate sum assured. High charges and combination of insurance and investment within the same product further contribute to its subpar returns. To better understand this, let's explore an alternative approach where the same premium is split between life insurance and investment. Consider purchasing a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of rupees 10 lakhs, which costs rupees 7,800 annually. The policy term and the premium paying term are both 20 years. After paying the premium, you are left with rupees 92,200 for investment, which can be allocated based on your risk tolerance. Low-risk investors might choose debt instruments like PPF, while high-risk investors may prefer equity instruments such as ELSS funds. Let's examine both scenarios to see how each asset class performs. With PPF, the final maturity value is 40.92 lakhs, yielding an IRR of 6.41%. This return is similar to the 8% scenario of PNB MetLife Goal Enhancer Multiplier, despite PPF being a debt instrument. For the ELSS fund, the pre-tax maturity value is 74.40 lakhs. After accounting for capital gains tax, the final maturity value is 67.56 lakhs, resulting in an post-tax IRR of 10.57%. The ELSS fund as a market-linked product offers a superior risk-adjusted return. It also provides the flexibility to withdraw funds as needed without restrictions. In comparison, the PNB MetLife Goal Enhancer Multiplier GEM plan falls short in terms of liquidity and delivering better risk-adjusted returns. Here is our final verdict on PNB MetLife Goal Enhancer Multiplier GEM plan. With its versatile plan option, the plan is marketed as a customizable solution to help investors achieve their financial goals and fulfill their family's dream. However, upon closer analysis, it becomes clear that the plan falls short of expectations due to its poor potential returns. The high charges associated with this ULIP significantly impacts its performance, leading to subpar returns and hindering the wealth accumulation process. Additionally, the plan's low sum assured makes it less appealing. The combination of insurance and investment within the same product diminishes the overall efficiency of PNB MetLife Goal Enhancer Multiplier plan. A better approach is to secure your family's future with a pure term life insurance policy that offers adequate life coverage. To achieve your financial goals, invest separately based on your time horizon and risk tolerance. To generate better returns from market related investments, it is advisable to steer clear of ULIPs. Always evaluate the potential returns of a product before investing. If you need guidance, consult a certified financial planner who can provide expert advice on various products available in the market. A detailed review of PNB MetLife Goal Enhancer Multiplier Plan is available as a blog post on our website, and the link is given in the description.
And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct a regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.